The S&P 500 is trading near recent highs. In this video, I'll show you the key support and resistance levels I'm watching and what they could mean for next week and also for the future. So let's get right into it, guys. As you can see, we're breaking down the S&P 500. Right now we're on the daily time frame. As far as this strategy that I use when I'm investing is long term. So for the time frames, we're going to use the long-term time frames, such as the daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. So that matches and align with the investment strategy that we use, which is a long-term. We're not going to really pay attention to the 30-minute, 15-minute, the everyday move to move. We're not going to pay too much attention to that. We're going to take focus on the longer time frames, and we're going to show you how we find support and resistance and how technical analysis is done in this market. So basically right now we are on the daily time frame, and basically what I see so far is higher highs and higher lows, as you guys could see right here at the 7,200 level. Right now at this moment it is acting as a support level. So the last higher low we had was 6,300, and the next higher low is 7,200. So you almost $1,000 difference. So you see, so yeah guys, as you guys clearly could see, this is the strong price range right here, where sellers, they force the price down to the 63 level, and the buyers, they bought it back up and pushed the price all the way to the top at 7,600. And this move is in let's see, is in 4 months. Yeah, basically around 4 months it took for price to jump from 6,300 level to 7,600 level. So within 4 months the price took a big jump. So right now guys, as we can see, the market, it is looking pretty solid. This is on the daily time frame, and is looking to break to the next level, which is going to be 7,800. And then ultimately what I'm looking to see happen is price ultimately get to $8,000 on the S&P 500. That's what I see coming in the near future as the new price target. But don't get carried away and don't get too excited. Price can also plummet all the way back down to the 7,000 level. That's how the market is. So we always have to keep that in mind. So right now we're gonna draw some support and resistance, just so we could play with it. So right now we'll say 7,600 is the resistance level. And around 7,200 we could use that level as support, and this is on the daily time frame. So as you can see, we're looking for price to break above this level and target the 7,800 level. So we're gonna see on the lower time frame, like the 4 hour, as you guys could see, price is definitely trending towards 7,000 700 as the next target, which I definitely think is possible. So that's on the 30-minute. Price is definitely looking to go test that support level. No, that resistance level is looking to go test that level and to see if it could break through 7,700 and target 7,800. And then the next big target definitely is $8,000 on the S&P 500. So let's go back to the daily and let's look at the weekly. As you guys could clearly see on the weekly, price is definitely gearing up and shaping up to break above and target $8,000 on the S&P 500. So guys, these are just some of the key levels and important price range that I try to focus on. And I keep these support and resistance line on my charts just to keep me focused, keep me grounded. Also giving me a foundation that I could work with and to navigate the market and also to help my portfolio. Another indicator that I use as well is the alligator. And if you guys don't know, the alligator for me is one of the best trend line. It may not be for somebody else, but for me, based in my opinion, I use the alligator indicators as a tool to help me identify the trends on the charts and the trends in the market, and just to give me a foundation I can work with and to help me navigate to find the momentum where price is heading. So for me, I don't really rely heavily too much just on one indicator. As you guys could see, I also use support and resistance and basically the alligator to help me navigate the market. And my philosophy is not trading every day. My philosophy is long-term wealth building. And you guys could use this philosophy too if you're interested in using that strategy to help yourself build some wealth out here for the long term. You guys could also use these teachings and these charts, learn how to use these indicators to help yourself as well. Yeah, guys, this is looking pretty good and pretty nice on the S&P 500 and the whole stock market overall. So we'll come this following weeks and we'll see where things planned out and we will take a look and see how things have shapen up since we last take a look at this chart. If you guys are interested in me doing any stock market analysis or any chart markups for you guys, please feel free to comment down below. Let me know the ticker symbol you want me to look at, and I'll definitely be doing that in future videos. So that's my technical outlook for the S&P 500 for this week. If you enjoy market analysis, dividend investing, and real portfolio updates, consider subscribing. I'll be back next week with a market recap, and take care.